Hello, Mr. Wellman. This is Francisco Javier Avendaño, CSC 110, Charter 8 homework YouTube video. On this exercise, we need to create a function that will return. So we'll return a sentence where each word is reversed. So to start, I type the sentence, which is to be or not to be. That is the question. So I create a variable called rep each word in sentence. So with the first thing I did, I split the words in the sentence. Now I create a new words. So what I did is with this function, with this tool over here, I just reverse each word of the sentence. And then I join the new sentence, which is all the words had been reversed. So after that, I will just return new sentence, and then I print the function, which is read each word in sentence. Just use test it. This is my output. So the original sentence is to be or not to be, that is the question. So they reverse each word, they return each word reverse. Thank you.